everyone, today I'm going to talk about STEMx and what STEMx can help you achieve if you want to do robotics or any type of 3D designing. STEMx helps you learn more after school in a fun way. It will not bore you and gain knowledge which you can't gain in school because your school won't teach you. And I know this from personal experience. I have been learning from STEMx for 4 years. And every class I learn something new and have in a very fun and exciting manner. And you can do the same if you join STEMx. You can either join it online or offline depending on what you want. And what STEMx teaches you is robotics and different types of 3D designing. I had started off with learning We-Do 2.0, which is Legos and a little bit of electronics, not much programming. But then I went to EV3, which I built bigger Legos and not like the original Legos, but different types of Legos. And it has bigger motors and more powerful stuff. And the programming is a little more interesting. STEMx will help you prepare yourself for WRO and FLL if you're interested in those. It will help you get more medals also. Thank you.